Yesterday morning, on an input from Jammu and Kashmir Police on the presence of 5 terrorists in the village of Reban in one of the mohallas in Shopian district, troops of 1RR had swung into action and rapidly cordoned off the place. It was a very congested, built-up area. The challenge of removing the civil population and neutralizing the terrorists without any damage to civil life or property remained there. There were 14 houses which were evacuated, and in the first light at around 7, we drew fire from the terrorists before we could give them any offer to surrender. And based on the swift redeployment, we were able to corner them into one place. They were neutralized while trying to escape from the area, and in 9 hours of a grueling battle with them, they were neutralized successfully. There was no major damage to any civilian property or life which was caused in the area of Reban, while our troops risked themselves to effectively neutralize these terrorists. Last night again we received a specific input from Jammu and Kashmir Police. This was in the village of Pinjora near Shopian, with the presence of some notorious terrorists who were harassing the civilians, being present in a couple of houses there. These terrorists have been known to disrupt the normal life there, caused excesses on the civil population. They have been known to kill non-local labor, also abduct policemen, and involved in the harassment and certain injuries to truck drivers last year. The persecution of innocent civilians and was a routine for them. They were again used to using the normal civil population for giving an early warning to them, which was neutralized by the swift redeployment of our troops of 44RR in the area, and in a 4-hour operation which began at 3 in the morning, they were neutralized. We neutralized 4 local terrorists in that area.
Pakistan, as I said in the initial stage, that if there is one person who is not happy with peace coming into the valley, is him, because it is in his larger game plan, in his larger plan to keep the pot boiling in the valley. That's how the relevance of Pak Army remains, within Pakistan. That's something which is important. As far as his contribution to the violence here is a combination of 2 things. One is on the physical front in terms of inducting weapons along the line of control as part of infiltration, or through various means that he has at his disposal to push in weapons into the valley to generate violence. And